Deep in the East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, a humble farmer just received one of India's highest civilian honours, Padma Shri. Meet Haley War from Sage Village, Sohra. To the world, he's a farmer cultivating betel nuts, black pepper and fruits. But to his community, he is an unsung guardian of nature. Haley War has spent his life revitalizing an incredible ancestral tradition, the art of bio-weaving living root bridges. This isn't just construction, it's indigenous bioengineering. By mentoring local families in root bridge weaving and environmental stewardship, he has preserved a rare wisdom, strengthened community bonds, and enhanced ecological resilience. For his lifelong dedication to afforestation and traditional knowledge, he has been conferred the Padma Shri Award 2026. Haley War's work is a powerful testament to the enduring harmony between culture, community, and nature, proving that traditional wisdom is exactly what our modern ecological needs look like.